Greetings from Speaking CPR. Michael Davis here, and I am so excited to announce that the wait is over. Our high impact storytelling abs course is now available. This comprehensive course includes everything you need to transform your storytelling skills. What you will receive specifically are video tutorials about the structure so that you can master storytelling. Next, we've got a fillable PDF playbook for you to create your memorable and meaningful narratives. You'll also pick up real-world examples to deepen your understanding, and of course, you'll have exercises that you can go through, and we've thrown in a couple of special bonuses to deepen your understanding of storytelling. Now, if you want to captivate your audiences and leave a lasting impact every time, this is your ultimate resource. Now, we've got a special for you since this is opening day. From now until April 2nd, you have the opportunity to invest in your high-impact storytelling abs course at over a 50% discount. You can purchase it for $197, and that's good until April 2nd, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, before the price is increased to our website price of $397. So don't miss out on this chance to take your storytelling skills to the next level. For more details and to purchase, click on the link below this video.